Okay, good day folks. So Toyota Camry starter issues. No crank, no start. So I took this out. By now hopefully you guys will be able to hopefully by now you'll know how to take this thing out. I already took it out, but anyways, my issue was I was wondering if it was something to do with this or if it was going to be a fuse relay or what it was. It would start sometimes by hitting it and then other times it wouldn't. I took it to the parts store, they tested it, said it was good, but it was just enough to be able to move it so it cranked at the store. Got it back in the car, continued with the same problem. They said it was good. What it was, I found out, was this. I happened to tap this or push down on this, and then outside of the car, because I had ground to this, to the battery, I had hot wire here with the solenoid hooked up. Here's the solenoid. So I had that hooked up, right? That one's on the bottom. I had hot wire to the top one, and then I had a jumper cable from this to the battery. If you go from here to the battery hot, you can test it, and it should turn, but it wouldn't do anything. So I happened to press up against this, and it would turn. So as I moved that, I found out this was the issue. I'm gonna do another retake after this. I'm gonna take this apart. I was able to get the brush kit, so there's a brush kit in here, and I'll take a video of this, what this looks like inside, how well it's worn, and then the replacement parts.